In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poster in Canva. If you've ever opened Canva, stared at a blank page, and had no idea how to turn it into a polished poster, this walkthrough will make the process much easier. A strong poster needs more than nice colors and big text. It also needs the right size, a clean layout, and an export setting that will still look sharp when printed. The good news is that Canva makes all of that much more manageable. To get started, go to the Canva homepage and click Create a Design in the top right corner. In the search box, type Poster, then choose a poster format such as Portrait 18 by 24 inches or 24 by 36 inches. Starting with the correct poster size right away is important because it helps Canva set up the design space properly for print instead of forcing you to resize everything later. Once your new poster project opens, the next thing you want to do is turn on visual guides. Click File, go to View Settings, then enable Show Rulers and Guides and Show Margins. These guides act like safety boundaries for your design. They help you keep important elements like your headline or logo away from the edges so they don't get trimmed off during printing. Now it's time to choose a template. On the left side, click the Design or Templates panel. In the search bar, type a phrase that matches your poster's purpose, like business conference poster, product launch flyer, or modern marketing poster. Browse through the options and click on a layout that fits the style you want. This gives you a strong starting structure and saves time, especially if you want a professional look without building everything from scratch. After that, focus on your text hierarchy and colors. Zoom in if needed so the text is easy to work with. Click into the main headline area and replace it with your own title. Keep it bold, clear, and short enough to read from a distance. Then use the toolbar at the top to adjust font styles and accent colors. Make sure your main message stands out most, while supporting details like date, time, and location sit neatly underneath in a clean, readable order. Before exporting, give the whole design one final check. Make sure backgrounds reach the edges properly and important content stays inside the safe margin area. Then click Share, choose Download, and change the file type to PDF print. Turn on crop marks and bleed, then click Download. That will give you a high-quality, print-ready poster file. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.